Ufana nomuntu ecima ifan. Niyayibona ifan? Niyayibona ifan? Niyayibona ifan mathandekayo? Uma uzocima ifan uya kuyo ibambe ngezandla. Kodwa uya kuyiswish. Umthandazo usebenza kanjalo. Awuyi kwi outcome ye problem. Awuyi kuma symptoms. Kodwa I prayer iya kuma roots. Cause of the problem. Praise the Lord. Uma uthandaza ukhulekela ingane zakho ezihlushwa ihunga. You don't pray for your child per se, kodwa you deal with the spirit of hunger. Now, awuyi uyobamba ifenle uphephela ubambe ngezandla uyalapha ya uswisha off odongweni. Simanga. Mawuqeda ukuswisha off, let me ask you a question. After switching it off, iyama there and there ifen. Kodwa uyamangala yini ume ukuthi ayicime ayimi ngani ngoba sengicimile umangali. Kodwa uyacima bese uyakhohlwa. I-conviction onayo ukuthi noma ingahamba kodwa ihamba ngamandla okugcina. Yebo. Hamba ngamandla okugcina. Because as you pray kuyenzeka. As you pray kuyenzeka. Noma ingaqhubeka ihamba ngamandla okugcina. Today we are going to switch off some things. We are going to switch off some conditions, some circumstances. We are going to switch off. Switch off. Switch off. Switch off. Switch off. Switch off. Can we stand and switch it off? Switch it off. Makaboshanda labaya. We are going to switch off because we are a supernaturally gifted church. Sisehla kule ndaba. Umoya ingcwele usho njalo uthi let us switch off izinto eziyaza trouble iminyaka, family situations, personal situations, ezinye isemsebenzini. Oh my God, but you are switching them off today ngegama lika Jesu. Why? It is because we are a supernaturally gifted church. Amandla sebenza ngawo akuwona amandla ordinary, but this power is supernatural. Is supernatural. I am reminded by Hannah. He went up to Shiloh to switch off a family situation. A family situation. Kunezinto namhlanje that you are about to switch them off. Babu Thixo wethu uthe bhekani nginikezile ikhiye ezombuso wezulu. Whatever you bound on earth, it will be bound in heaven. Whatever you loose on earth, it will be loose in heaven. Close your eyes and lift up your hands. No kabasha. Mandala bakosha. Raba baba 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 baba. Kora bashanda. Sangamile. Mthandazanga ngama. But namhlanje I am taking my authority. Yonke into enikhuluma emthandazweni iyenzeka. Kodwa yazi into that need to be switched off in your life. God bless you as you are coming forward. Ngegama lika Jesu waseNazaretha. Noma ningasafikanga nonke ngaphambili ngenxa yespace, but right where you are. Right where you are. We are switching off. We are switching off. We We are switching off. Makamo ibandla lulula izandla ngegama lika Jesu. Akasithandaze sonke. Makamo. I'm going to lay hands as we are praying. Mawusubeka izandla, you can move quietly back to your place. But just believe. Hey! Moya oyingcwele ngegama lika Jesu. We are switching off some things ngegama lika Jesu. Ewe! Kwenzeka Baba.